I think the midwifery facilities at University of Brighton are great. They're really inclusive. Every lecture is really diverse, but they make sure we've got the correct equipment so that we're actually hands-on using items that we see in practice.
We use low fidelity simulations. So what that means is we have models of abdomens, babies, birthing torsos, palpation models. We also have certain models that show stages of labour, so the cervix dilates and effaces with each stage of labour. So wherever we can, we try and add a practical element to that.
In terms of the equipment, it's all available to us at the back of the classroom. The tutors are quite happy for us to access it when we want to. If we feel that it will benefit from getting a dole out to look at why they're teaching us something to do with anatomy, we can do that.
We do a lot of birth simulation and we learn about complications or just be able to identify what the norm is in midwifery. The simulations really do help to help know the facilities in the hospital.
We have our high fidelity model, so Lucina is one of them, and so these models are, along with our technicians, will run through a birthing programme. Lucina is pretty impressive. So when we're running a simulation that is quite student-led, so they have to uncover what the problem actually is. That might be, as we say, uncovering a hemorrhage or an eclamptic fit, for example. They have to then use all the equipment in the room to manage that situation. What we're able to do is run a simulation here, and then with our cameras we're able to sort of beam that into our debriefing room, where there'll be a structured, facilitated debrief to really unpick the learning from what's happened in that simulation. We do some fantastic sessions with our third year paramedic students. So the focus of that is managing obstetric emergencies, but in a home birth environment. It's so important in clinical practice that you're working collaboratively with your multidisciplinary teams. You become part of a family at university, and certainly as lecturers, we just feel really privileged that we're part of that journey.